Welcome to Tinnitus 911 review video. Link for Tinnitus 911 with a discount in the description below. What's Tinnitus 911? Tinnitus 911, a safe and effective dietary supplement for those with tinnitus, has been tested. It is an entirely natural product, which has provided relief to thousands of people worldwide with excellent results. It is designed to relieve brain pressure, which is thought to be the cause of tinnitus. What causes tinnitus and how can you treat it? Exposition in a noisy environment. Noise exposure is one of the most common occupational hazards for musicians, construction workers, and industrial workers. Chronic sinusitis. Sinusitis and inflammation can be very chronic. Tinnitus can develop from any of these factors. Infections in the ear. Ear infections are a common cause of tinnitus. Tinnitus could be triggered by repeated infections or inflammation. Indicative of heart disease. Alarmingly, tinnitus may also be a sign of heart disease. You might also be affected by Meniere's disease and blood vessel diseases, thyroid problems, brain tumors, aging. Side effects of medication. What does it do? Tinnitus 911 creators have focused on the root cause of the problem. According to them, the first step in resolving the problem is to improve the nerves of your brain. Taking this supplement will cause all the sounds to stop. It blocks out irritating noises and enhances the ability to select neural pathways to reduce ringing and other irritations. Tinnitus 911 offers a second vital method to help its users deal with constant discomfort. This is mental peace and calmness. It can disrupt sleep patterns and cause disturbances of the highest nature. Tinnitus 911 contains all-natural ingredients that help in stress reduction and mind relaxation. It is important to give it your all and be patient. Tinnitus 911 ingredients. Hibiscus and hawthorn berry. This combination gives you a tremendous boost in nerve health. Tinnitus 911 was founded on the idea that effective nerve communication between the brain. Olive leaf extract. Olive is known as one of the fountainheads for good health and is included in Tinnitus 911. Niacin, vitamin B3. It is a vital ingredient that boosts nerve health and can be found in Tinnitus 911. Garlic essence. Regular garlic use can improve blood circulation dramatically. A better blood flow means healthier tissues throughout the body and better functioning parts. Juniper berry. It can improve immunity and protect against infections and diseases. Vitamin C is an important supplement that helps flush out toxins. Green tea. Research has shown that green tea's natural antioxidant may be able to fight Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is good for the central nervous system, metabolism, and other areas. Vitamin B9, folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, improves synaptic function. Vitamin B12 can help improve your mood because it acts as a natural antidepressant. It can also improve neurologic functions. Who shouldn't use the supplement? Tinnitus 911 should be avoided by anyone who is allergic to any of these ingredients. Prescription medication for any type of illness should be referred to a doctor. Tinnitus 911 should not be used by anyone under the age of 20. Instead, consult your doctor before you use this supplement. What are the cons? Tinnitus 911 can only be accessed online, making it difficult for some. It is not sold on Amazon or Walmart. What are the pros? Tinnitus 911 has no synthetic ingredients and is completely natural. This product was manufactured in FDA-approved U.S. facilities. Tinnitus 911 capsules are easy to swallow. This product is only available online. Tinnitus 911 is a product that helps relieve the symptoms of tinnitus. It is effective in controlling tinnitus sounds and sensations and protecting against viruses. This product can be used by both men and women with hearing loss or tinnitus. Where I can buy it? Click below now to order Tinnitus911 from the official website. Tinnitus911 price. 1 Tinnitus911 bottle, $69.95. 2 Tinnitus911 bottles for $119.90 or $59.95 each. 4 Tinnitus911 bottles for $199.80 or $49.95 each. A solid money-back guarantee is available for up to 90 days. You can return empty bottles with a 100% refund. Conclusion. Tinnitus911, a dietary supplement that restores and protects brain connections, is intended to prevent tinnitus. Tinnitus911 offers a variety of all-natural ingredients to help ease, repair, and protect the brain. They are mainly in the form of vitamins followed by antioxidants. Tinnitus911 is credible because this approach has been well studied. The formula's concentrations per dose are reasonable, however. Although they may seem low, many foods have similar properties. Consuming too many nutrients can have the opposite effect. This is something people should avoid. Don't forget about the discount link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe.